Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Deborah Idowu here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade hand sanitizers. So stick with me. Until a few months ago, most of us didn't give hand sanitizers so much thought. Now it is sold out all around the world, and even where it is available, it is very expensive. Some customers have even started ordering hand sanitizers. Health experts say when it comes to the prevention of the spread of coronavirus, where water and soap is not readily available, use hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers come in three forms. They come in a gel-like form, or a liquid form, or a foam solution. There are three factors to consider before preparing your homemade hand sanitizer. The first one is quality control. Do you have the right measurements? Do you have the right ingredients? Because there's a possibility you may end up with less alcohol than needed to kill germs. So people are always concerned about the percentage of the alcohol. So if you'll be making this for sale, please take notes. So the second factor is we have no sterile production facilities in our houses to produce like so much batch, and people are always concerned about the introduction of bacteria or fungi into the hand sanitizers during the making. The third factor is the other ingredients you'll be adding to your hand sanitizer. You have to be very careful of them in order not to cause contact sensitization or allergic reactions. You know, what works for me might not work for you. People often ask, when should I use a hand sanitizer? A hand sanitizer should not be used on hands that are very greasy or very dirty, like one like this. Very dirty, right? So try to use your hand sanitizers after washing your hands. How often should I apply my hand sanitizer? You should apply your hand sanitizer after and before touching a surface that other people have touched. You have to sanitize your hands after touching elevator buttons. Sanitize your hand after touching door handles. And please sanitize your hands after coughing or sneezing. Or you could just wash your hands with soap and water if available. How to apply your hand sanitizer? Put some quantity on your palm and spread it across your hands like you're cleaning your hands until it evaporates. So that's the end of this video. I hope you liked today's video. Please press the like button if you really do, please. And I'll be in the comment section below to see if you have any questions or reviews. Thank you so much. And please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And see you next time.